crazy mother.
Tube you.
Tube you.
Know how we do.
Know how we do.
You already know who it is. Baby Khyani.
Baby Khyani.
He's KJaysSoledOut. I'm Baby Khyani. Thank you for checking in to this.
No, you're not Baby Khyani.
Yeah, I am.
I'm Baby Khyani.
No, I'm KJaysSoledOut.
No, I'm KJaysSoledOut.
No, I'm Baby Khyani.
And for who I am.
We got a fresh little pack in. Let's see what we got. Let's bring it on. Let me bust it down right here, bro. See what we got.
Yeah.
What we got?
A toy package.
A toy package? Oh. Whoa.
What do we got
Throw that
today?
out. What we got today?
Two.
What are these? Says Martian 7s.
Marvin 7.
As y'all can see that, we got the Marvin The Martian 7s on deck. Baby Khyani hit it with the smell test. I ain't even gotta do it. He gonna let me know we good. We good? We good. Hold on. That smells so good.
Yep.
Woo! You can put that in there, big boy. Anyway, thank you for checking in to Baby Khyani. Full in-depth review of these Marvin The Martian 7s will be on my channel. The link in the description below. What color is the shoe?
Red and black.
What
and
else?
Green.
Green. What else?
And orange.
Orange. Good job, big boy. And then what else? What color is that?
And white.
Is it approved by Baby Khyani?
Uh-huh.
It's approved by Baby Khyani. And we approve this message. We're gonna holler at y'all on the next unboxing. We're gonna be under the ocean for that one.
Park.
You wanna be Power Rangers?
Uh-huh.
Fight! Go Power Rangers! Go Power Rangers! Mighty Morphin Power Rangers!
I want to open it again.
Sure?
What must do? You better go to the park.
Fight!